the Italians abroad, but also in Italy. I mean, but our attitude is a really an attitude of people who have a very severe inferiority complex. No, it's true. And I also wonder why, being a diplomat and traveling in a number of countries, from Egypt to Switzerland, from Austria to Belgium, I always wonder why we have such a bad image. Maybe not in Belgium. That is an exception. No, really. But I mean, in all other countries, and if I ask my colleagues, they can tell you there's another big exception, which is Brazil. But I mean, normally we have a very bad image, and I always wonder why. And I mean, certainly there's no plot in this. No, there's not an international plot against the Italians. And when there are these stereotypes, there's always something very true behind it. No, so. And apart from the truth, because I mean, there are many defects in this country, my point is that the reason for this bad image is our fault, because we see ourselves in a very negative way, and probably worse than reality. I mean, it's not up to me to decide, but certainly, I mean, we have such a bad image of ourselves that reflects into the image that the Italians have among foreigners. I mean, this is the main concept of my book. And I give some examples, which I think you live in this country, maybe you have already noticed, but I mean, in this country, if you say something is done all'italiana, the Italian way, when we say this, it means badly made, no? We say ourselves, no? Questo è stato fatto all'italiana. Done the Italian way for us, it means badly made, no? It means it's done poorly and not in a reliable way. And I wonder in which other country would this be possible?